Okay, so let's begin with today's session. I'm going to take a very brief session today with covering categories of network, and I'm sure you all must have studied this um, maybe in your school days, or maybe in junior college, or maybe in the first or second year of your BCA. Categories of network, we all have heard about LAN, MAN, WAN, and PAN. Have we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you all know what is LAN, you all know what is MAN, you all know what is WAN, and you all know what is PAN. Can I have quick answers to the questions? That what is LAN? What is the full form of LAN?
Local area
Local area
network.
network.
Very good. Local area network. MAN?
Metropolitan area network.
Yes, very good. Who said that?
Me.
Pooja.
Okay, very good. Metropolitan area network. WAN?
Network. Area
WAN?
network.
Wide area network.
Wide area network.
Wide.
Yes. And
Wide area
PAN?
network.
PAN?
Personal area network.
Sorry?
Personal
Personal
area.
area network.
Personal area network. So which one is the smallest out of these four?
LAN.
PAN.
No, PAN. PAN.
PAN.
PAN.
LAN,
Personal area.
LAN, PAN, MAN, WAN.
PAN.
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 PAN is the smallest because it is your personal computer, your personal area network,
Yes.
comprising of your machine, right? Your desktop, your printer, to your keyboard or your mouse. That's a PAN. In your textbook, you all have the first three categories: LAN, MAN, and WAN. Okay, and the last is internet, which we will see a little later. So LAN is what? Can anyone tell me what is LAN? Local area network, but what is it? No one knows? See, can you see the diagram? I'm sorry, it's little faded, but I have taken a screenshot from your PDF, the textbook PDF. So LAN is a privately owned network or linking which links the devices. It can either span into a single building, office, or a campus, or you can even connect multiple buildings together. So on the left, in the diagram that you see on the left hand side, that is a single building LAN, and on the right hand side is a multiple building LAN. Now can you tell me which topology have they used here? Which topology is used in
Ring topology.
ring topology? Very good. Ring topology. In this case,
Mesh.
Star
topology.
very good. Who said that?
Star. Anjali.
Star.
Yeah.
Star is the right
Anjali.
answer. This is a star topology. Okay. And these two? Bus. Very good. Bus topology.
Bus.
Yes. See, LAN is a local area network in which the computers of a single office, or maybe even two PCs are to be connected with each other and a printer. Then that is also a LAN connection. Or if it has to be connected to all the computers of my office, that's also a LAN connection. Okay. The size of the LAN is limited to few kilometers. Okay, like in the diagram, what you see is a single building LAN, where inside one building, whatever computers that I have a local area network connection between those machines. And on the right hand side that you see is multiple building LAN. With the help of uh, one more connection, they have connected two buildings computers together. Okay, using different topologies. All right, so that's in a very simple term, this is LAN, which connects local computers together. Okay, and it spans to few kilometers. All right, is that understood?
Yes.
And
Yes, ma'am.
what is
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
This line. What is this? Which topology?
Bus.
Bus.
Yes. How come? How did you manage to say that answer? Bus.
Ma'am, because different devices and you can say systems are connected to one bus.
Yes, because multiple networks are now here connected to this backbone. Can you see the word backbone here? Which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a bus. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
on this bus, I have connected ring topology. On this bus, I have connected star topology network. So you all were asking yesterday about hybrid network. This is a perfect example of hybrid network. Okay. Understood,
Okay.
girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
simple. Today's session is very simple. LAN, WAN, and LAN, man, and WAN. Now you have to tell me, is man bigger than WAN or WAN bigger than man?
Man is bigger than man.
Sorry?
Man is bigger than man.
मेरे को
Yeah.
and ही सुनाई दे रहा है. I'm not able to hear.
Man bigger than land.
Man is bigger than WAN. Okay. Others?
Land.
I'm not asking about LAN. I'm not asking about LAN. LAN. No. I'm asking MAN bigger than WAN.
Ma'am, metropolitan area network is bigger than wide area network.
Metropolitan is bigger than wide area network. Are you sure?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No.
wide area network is
Bigger
bigger.
than man.
Yes, wide area network is
Wide
bigger
area.
than
Yeah.
man.
Wide
It is,
area is bigger.
yes, wide area is bigger than man. So collection of lands come together to form a man, collection of mans come together to form a WAN, and all the collection of WANs together form internet. This is a very, very basic explanation of categories of network. But WANs are also connected using LAN connection. They might also be connected using LAN connections or using, wires, or they may use leased lines, or there are many internet service providers who can provide the service of connection between geographical locations. That is WAN. It's a wide area network. Let's look at metropolitan area network, which is MAN. Okay, before that, just have a look at the diagrams of LAN. These are the few diagrams of LAN. Which topology is this?
Star topology.
First one is star.
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 Yes. Star topology. Using star topology, it is connected. This is again a LANs. Why did I repeat this diagram? Okay. This is a repetition. Okay. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It is designed to extend over an entire city. It may be single network or connection of many LANs together into a larger network. I told you, many LANs coming together and spanning an entire city, that becomes a metropolitan area network. Okay. A company might use MAN to connect LANs in all its offices throughout the city. So if I am a businesswoman, okay, and I have like, let's say, suppose 10 branches in Mumbai city at different locations, and I want to connect all my locations in Mumbai city together. So they are in their locations, they are connected using LANs. They are LAN networks. So when I want to bring all the LANs together in an entire city, I will term it as MAN. Okay. So when I bring all the LANs of 10 different locations together, spanning an entire city, that becomes a MAN connection. Okay. It may be owned by private company or it may be owned by public company, like the local telephone service that you have is a very good example of MAN network. Okay. That is MAN connection, metropolitan area network. These are few diagrammatic representation of MAN. Can you see there are different lands which have come together? Yeah. And spanning the entire city. Now, see, in this diagram also, there are different lands that are coming together. Then why is this land and why is this man? Anyone tell me? No one?
I think that was
Repeat your
connected
question.
with.
Sorry?
No.
See, this this spans an entire city. In land, the connection is limited to few kilometers. It cannot span an entire city. That's the main difference. Is that understood now?
Can you repeat that?
See, the question that I asked was, here also there are multiple lands which are coming together. Okay. And here also there are multiple lands that are coming together. But this is connected using a LAN connection only, and a LAN can span only to few kilometers, not beyond that. But in MAN, there are LAN connections. I mean, the LAN connections only come together, but it spans an entire city, and that is why it is termed as MAN. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what is WAN? Wide Area Network. It's a long distance transmission of data, voice, image, whatever, video, whatever, over long distance. Like, from one country to another country, if I have to connect, like suppose, again, assume that I am a very big businesswoman and I have locations at various places all over the globe and I want to connect, then I will use WAN connection, because geographically far off distance. Okay, that makes a WAN. So basically, you know what? LAN, MAN, and WAN differs in the size. LAN, it spans for few kilometers only. MAN is metropolitan. So when your client approaches you for a network connection within a city, then you will have to give him or her a MAN connection. And if someone, like I gave you an example where the business locations are at various geographical countries across the globe, then in that case, WAN connection will be used. Now, generally, WAN is basically used for private thing, and when we talk about internet, it is more of public, and internet is, it's the biggest WAN available. Okay, it's a very good example, and it's the biggest WAN which is available. Okay, now can you see the diagram here? The example that I gave you, that I have a company and the branches of it are in various locations all over the globe. So in that case, when I want to connect all my locations all over the globe, it is termed as enterprise network, which is a WAN connection. Now here, can you see the amoeba shape? Can you see
Yes,
the,
yes.
is it clear? The geographical location, is it clear? Yeah. So from one country to other country, when I'm connecting my network, that is termed as WAN. Simple, very simple. See, if I have to connect Toronto, network, and Seattle together, three different locations, geographic locations, are coming together in connection with the help of WAN. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.